Welcome to our channel. Today we how to cancel your gym membership with Crunch Fitness, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To cancel your gym membership with Crunch Fitness, start by locating your membership agreement. Check the specific terms and conditions regarding cancellations. Make sure you understand any cancellation fees or notice periods outlined in the agreement. Visit the Crunch Fitness website and log into your account. If you don't have an online account, consider creating one. Once logged in, navigate to the membership section. Look for the option to manage or cancel your membership. If the online option is not available, gather your personal information for a more direct approach. Call your local Crunch Fitness gym directly. Speak with a staff member and request to cancel your membership. Provide any necessary details, such as your membership ID or personal identification. Follow any instructions they give you to complete the cancellation process. If required, visit the gym in person to finalize the cancellation. Make sure to ask for written confirmation of your cancellation. Keep the confirmation for your records. Check your bank statements to ensure that recurring charges have stopped. If you encounter any issues, follow up with Crunch Fitness customer service for assistance. Remember to check for any residual payments or outstanding balances you may need to settle. By following these steps, you can successfully cancel your membership with Crunch Fitness. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.